everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can get your Duolingo promo code. So let's get right into it. The first thing that you want to do is open any kind of browser on your PC. Here I'm going to use Chrome browser. After opening your browser, on the search bar right here, start typing dealsporter.com. And then click on enter. This will lead you to the official website of Dealsporter. Here on the search bar, type Duolingo. After typing Duolingo, click on enter. Here you can see there are a lot of options. Choose any option. Here I'm going to choose this one. Click on it. And here you can see there are a lot of discount codes that you can get. Here there is the sale coupon, here free trial coupon, site-wide, and many more. If you want to activate the free trial deal, here you can click on activate deal. And there are a lot more options. Here I'm going to use a promo code. So here you can see 10% off. I'm going to use this. So simply just click on this show promo code. And there you go. Now this promo code has been successfully copied to your clipboard, and simply all you have to do is paste it on your Duolingo in order to activate it. You can even click on this button, use at duolingo.com, to directly go at Duolingo right now. Just like this. And now the official page of Duolingo will open. And here you can log in and use this promo code right now. And that is how you can get your Duolingo promo code. Very simple and easy, right? If you guys like the video, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.